Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this 2022 Nissan Frontier, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just your regular factory headlight lens. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also with this one, you can have the hood a little bit open just so you can have more room to work with on the top surface here. Okay, so to start off, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all you need to do is just place the film onto the headlight. Once you place it, focus on aligning this section first. And once you have the film aligned, we could tack it down with Tack Solution and with our squeegee. So make sure you have it aligned, lift it carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position and tack it down. Make sure everything stays aligned. If it does shift, just realign it. And make sure to remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film on this area. So just tack down a good amount, that way we're able to work with the rest of the film. Once we secured this side, now we're working with each section of the headlight. So we can move on with this piece here. So all we need to do is align it and stretch the film to this edge right here. So stretch it a little bit until it reaches this edge here before the curve. So right there, hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, and then tack it down. And the same steps that were done here, repeat it for this piece here. Make sure this area is dry, that way you have better grip. Place your hand here and stretch the film going upward until you reach it to the edge here. So once you have it on the edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure you keep it aligned and start tagging it down. And just make sure to remove all these fingers here. Just tack them down underneath and just tack it down. And if you do encounter this finger, we could always remove it by applying a little bit of Tack Solution and heat, and then you would do the same for the top section here. So apply Tack Solution, apply heat in order to help remove the finger. So just bring the finger inside and do the same for the top. You could use your finger in order to make them smaller. Apply Tack Solution and then carefully start tagging down the fingers. You can also wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee in order to tack down the fingers. Just make sure you get all of them tacked down. And don't forget about the top section. So make sure it's covering up to here and then tack it down. So the last thing to do once you finish with the whole installation is to pulse heat the entire headlight. So all you need to do is just apply Tack Solution all over the film. Grab your heat gun and start applying heat on the entire headlight. And as you're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting, and also removing any small fingers that may appear anywhere on the film. So take your time as you're doing this. Make sure everything stays aligned and tacked down. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Nissan Frontier. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.